Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring you have a Microsoft account that doesn't require a phone number. Create or use an existing account verified with email only, then sign in on a desktop browser. Once signed in, clear cookies or open an isolated browser profile to avoid cross-site signals. Make sure your account info is minimal: name, birth date, and email. This reduces prompts for additional verification. Now proceed to reward settings and select region and language, matching your account to avoid mismatches. You should focus on actions that don't trigger phone verification. Perform Bing searches, complete daily sets, quizzes, and short challenges. Once done, use Microsoft Edge and sign in to sync your activity. Edge often tracks rewards reliably and avoids extra flags. Make sure to claim daily points and finish quiz packs fully. Incomplete tasks can prompt identity checks. If you have an Xbox or make small purchases in the Microsoft Store, link those accounts to boost points without adding new verification factors. To finish, consistently monitor your rewards dashboard and redeem small rewards to confirm point crediting. If the system prompts for a phone number, stop and clear site data, or retry in a fresh browser profile or different IP. Often transient signals cause the verification prompt. Once done, make sure to avoid aggressive multi-account behavior. If you're locked out or lose points despite compliant activity, contact Microsoft support via chat for account review and provide only requested account details. Avoid adding a phone unless necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.